and we're going to have a look at a Berlingo, another Citroen Berlingo. It belongs to Will, and this is Will.
Hello guys.
And quite a bit of a story to this. It's been round the family, hasn't it? This particular vehicle?
It originally belonged to my uncle, who sadly passed away. Then it was my granddad's, who didn't get on with it, and it's now been passed down to me, and it's been converted into a micro camper.
So who converted it? You or?
I bought the unit on Facebook Marketplace for £110, but brand new they're just over £600.
Wow.
I still need to get the foam cushions for it.
Yeah.
But for the moment I'm using 3 duvet covers and a sleeping bag, and it's quite comfortable. It's quite warm as well. I don't get cold or anything. It's plenty warm enough.
Good.
It's just big enough for me.
So basically you've got the frame, which acts as a seating area as well. Yeah, as in, with your table.
Yeah,
your table drops down.
Yeah.
To give you the bed. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. And then you've got that concertina's over, does it? It folds over.
Yeah. If you wanted it bigger, push the seats forward, and then it goes completely flat.
Oh, so it goes that way. Yes.
So someone up to 6 foot can sleep in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a lot of people who have converted these properly with a pop top and kitchen area.
That's going.
Yeah, but that sort of conversion is a lot of money.
Yeah. And what sort of cooking facilities have you got?
I just got just a little gas stove.
Oh yes, yeah. And storage, plenty of storage.
Yeah, there's
under the
plenty
seats
of
and
storage. Yeah, I have storage underneath here. I keep my table, and I have my little camping chair. Yeah.
Very good.
And I have a little fold-up bike, what I'm doing up. And once it's done, that should fit under there as well. Yeah. So I can leave the van and go off for a ride.
Lovely.
Yeah.
It's a nice sized vehicle, isn't it? So really, for one person.
Yeah, I just need electrics in there now.
Yeah.
I want a little solar panel on the top and a leisure battery to go in there.
Yes.
But for the moment, I'm just using power banks to charge my phone, and I've got battery powered lights.
Yeah. So, has your power banks lasted the weekend?
Yeah.
Oh, I was going to say, because you haven't come and asked for recharging.
They do really good.
Yeah.
I have 4 of them, and they last me about a week.
Right. Yes.
Yeah. It's really good.
Thank you. So that's another Berlingo bungalow, and nice seating area around the table, which collapses down into the bed. It's a good idea.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.